Plastic waste reuse is the need of today's fast-changing shortcut life. We see a lot of plastic material, like oil cans, water bottles, plastic chocolate jars, etc., which we throw in dustbins after use. But do you know we can reuse them and make some beautiful and attractive crafts for our daily routine life? We are trying to spread plastic waste reuse awareness by giving workshops in schools and societies. Let's see the response in society. In this way, we are trying to bring some positive change in society. Thank you all for giving love and support to Mayuraksham Crafts. If you like our work for the society, please do like, comment and share this video.